Welcome. Today I'm going to produce a new ceiling fan that I got from Habitat. This is a Heritage Hugger ceiling fan. Not really sure the date of it, but I just got this today for $10 at Habitat. It has a daylight bulb in it because I couldn't find the soft light ones. It does work. So this is my first test of it too. It's low speed. Yeah, this is my first time testing it too. It's a fast low speed too. Stop this one. It's a buzzing sound. I didn't install any of the washers. I just put it together on the bed and wrap the video and take it back apart and put it back in the box. I have nowhere in this house to put it. And this is also the first brass fan in my collection. I can get it on medium. But that's medium speed. The housing is not on the right either because I couldn't really figure out how to. I think you need a wrench for that. So just testing it on the bed just to see to get an idea of how this runs. Yeah, that's a good medium speed. Faster than hopefully faster than the mainstays hugger that I have, which needs a new capacitor. Yeah, I do have a Walmart mainstays hugger in my collection, but that currently doesn't work. It needs a new capacitor. But this one, I just got from Restore today. Alright, here comes high speed. Okay, pretty decent. It's also a seat here. Obviously, you can't really test the airflow because when fans are upside down, they don't blow air. This is a reason. They only blow air when they're hanging from the ceiling like this one is. Alright, now let's see how good the bearings are by unplugging it and just let it spin down. The chains are kind of rubbing against the motor. I don't expect the bearings to be that good because I just put it from Restore and I don't know how long it's been in there. The bearings are good. It's been down. It's kind of quick. Yeah, that's a real quick spin down. Probably needs to be run a little bit just to loosen it. Yeah, you probably get really tight bearings then. Oh, that's it. That's the demonstration of this 42-inch Heritage Hugger solution that I got today. Thanks for watching.